Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I'm here with another fun day of the 13 Days of Craftoween. Have you seen my last video? I'll link it here. This is now day 8. You see the crow? Loving the crow, raven. The books. We have the books already from day 7. Love, love, love this little box too. So super pretty. Perfect to fit on your crafty shelf. Love that. Let's see what day 8 has in stored. Loving the art here though. Love it. And these colors can definitely inspire you. This one has more of a fall feel. Let's see on day 8. Oh, love this. Cheers to spooky sips. Oh, fun. Fun, 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 fun. Absolute fun. I love the little cup and everything here. You have a sentiment to put in there. I'm going to use a foundation die around this one or something. Let's look at my example and see what I ended up doing. Love, 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 love. Thumbs up for this. You can use this for Halloween because we have the hearts. Thumbs up for that. Cute, 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 cute. Here is my day 8 example. I'm coming back into that whole pasteloween, summerween styling with the pinks and the lighter colors. Still have black in the background. I just so love using layers of black cardstock for Halloween. I can't help it. Must incorporate some black in here. Cute little mug with all these fun layers. So love. I die cut a few pieces using color wheel cardstock. For this layer, I use white cardstock and I came on with that cream embossing powder. I'll definitely be putting a link below for the cream embossing powder. I talked about it on day 2 here, but this is a much bigger image. So I think you can really see how it adds a little bit of texture, changes up the color so it's not stark white. So it's the same white cardstock I started off here, but this cream, thumbs up for giving a very organic look to these skulls. And then I came in with these layers. That's for the liquid, which is in green. For the eyes on the marshmallow, I'm using 2x2 color wheel cardstock. Up here for the little straw is just so cute. And then I put sip in here. I did include the little bat, the little toothpick or whatever it is. And then these 2 little ghosts. For behind the ghost eyes, you would use this in black cardstock, okay? I wanted to extend the card. If you watched my day 7 video, I did bring on this foundation die, the pinking. I could have also used it here, but I wanted something a little bit more elegant and a little bit more girly in terms of the foundation die. That's when I come on with this beauty. Labels 36. I think it's retired at Spellbinders, but there's still some other places that I can link this below. Crafters, I'm detailing and linking everything below. Last time I saw it, I think at scrapbook.com, it was in clearance, but they still had some in stock. I'll definitely be putting a link for it because Labels 36, this is a throwback die, but she is fantastic. 5 inches tall, 3 3/4 of an inch wide for the tallest one. I'm coming into maybe number 2 or number 3 here. I think it's number 2 for this layer. And then I did some splatter on it with the watercolor mixing set. This is a collab between Spellbinders and Yasatomo. You get gold, silver, and black. It's fantastic. So I did my little splatter, put in those touches of black and not have it so stark white. And then black here in the background, which is A2. I am using precision layering. I didn't bring it with me, but I can tell by the edges. So this is precision layering A2, set A, largest die, 4 1/4, 5 1/2 inch. I've been talking about it every day pretty much in this whole 13 days of Craftoween. For the sentiment, I'm coming into the 13 days of Craftoween stamp set. This I did emboss, black cardstock, white embossing powder, and I'm using the sentiment, cheers to spooky sips, because it's a cup sip. I think this is so fun. I am so loving all of the 13 days of Craftoween. This is only available if you bought the box, okay? You can't purchase it separately. Alrighty, crafters, so that is it for day 8. Do you notice that my nails actually match the Craftoween box? I don't know if you guys noticed that, but I just had to put on some purple nails to match the whole Craftoween too. Okay, crafters, come back to see what I have in store for day 9. Everything will be detailed and linked below. Thanks so much for watching. Until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Bye!